Hi everyone. Everything I'm going to tell you in this video is reliable information verified by the mechanics here at the shop. So don't worry, this can be fixed. If your Jeep 4iXE shows the message "Issue detected, check external charging station," the first thing to do is stay calm. This warning appears when the charging system detects something off during the charging process. But here's the key point. Most of the time, the problem is not the Jeep, but the power source you're using to charge it. Starting with the most logical cause, many mechanics agree that the number one culprit is the external charger or the outlet. Whether it's a public charger or one installed at home, if it's not delivering stable power or has an internal issue, the Jeep will detect it and stop charging for safety. That's why the first recommended step is simple. Try a different charger or even a different outlet. A lot of people fix the issue just by doing that. Along the same lines, there's something the Jeep 4X is very picky about: the quality of the electrical current. If the outlet doesn't have a proper ground, the voltage fluctuates, or the circuit is shared with other appliances, the system becomes extra sensitive and triggers the warning. Here at the shop, mechanics have told me that after moving the charger to a dedicated, properly grounded outlet, the message disappeared without touching the vehicle. Now, if the outlet seems fine, it's time to check the charging cable and connector. Sometimes the issue is as simple as dirt, moisture, a slightly bent pin, or the connector not being fully seated. If the Jeep doesn't detect a solid connection, it will immediately stop charging. Cleaning the connector and making sure it's properly plugged in fixes more cases than you might think. After that, something very common in modern vehicles comes into play: electronic glitches. Some people who came to this shop say the message appeared after disconnecting the battery, updating the system, or even for no clear reason. In these cases, unplugging the charger, turning the vehicle off, waiting a few minutes and trying again can make everything go back to normal. If you've already tried multiple chargers and different outlets and the warning keeps coming back, then it could be something internal. In some cases, the Jeep's charging module gets stuck and needs a reset or a software update at the dealership. It's not very common, but it does happen, and it's usually fixed without replacing parts. In rarer situations, some owners have had to replace the charging module because the Jeep wouldn't accept a charge from any station. This is the worst case scenario and is usually confirmed only after the vehicle fails on every charger available. One important detail many people overlook: check if scheduled charging is turned on. Sometimes the Jeep isn't malfunctioning at all. It's simply waiting for the time you programmed, and the message shows up in a confusing way in the meantime.